So hello everyone, welcome back to Cutoff 360. So in this video we are going to give you a very detailed analysis of COMEDK UGC 2026 Shift 1 exam. So make sure you are watching this video till the end because you are going to get very exclusive detailed analysis which will include the subject wise analysis, what people have said, what students who appeared for the exam have said about the question paper. So each and every detailed analysis will be made available here today in this video, so make sure you are watching till the end. And if you want any assistance, and make sure to comment down your questions. If you want me to answer any question, I will be answering only one question from your end related to anything on how was the overall question paper, or if you want assistance on what colleges you are expecting for some marks, let's say for 120 marks, for 100 marks, or anything, you can ask the same in the comment box and I'll try to answer one. So without any further delay, let's move ahead and proceed with the first analysis. So as you can see, you will be able to see that the overall difficulty level of the question paper was kind of in the moderate side. 6.2 out of 10 we have given the overall difficulty level to be 6.2. For physics it is 5.8 out of 10. Chemistry was slightly easier than compared to physics and maths, and it was 5.5 out of 10. Math was difficult, which is 6.8 out of 10. And overall there were more than 67% of the weightage was from class 12. So this is the overall analysis that we have got, and this is the analysis which has been prepared based on the feedback that we have received from multiple candidates. We have prepared this particular analysis based on that. So again, I'm repeating, overall analysis of the difficulty level of the question paper is 6.2 out of 10. 5.8 is given for physics, 5.5 is for chemistry, and 6.8 is given for maths out of 10. So next, let's dive down and check out how was the overall question difficulty. Like, we have also analyzed and giving you a detailed analysis on how was the overall question difficulty. Let's say from mechanics, 6.6 out of 10 we have given it 6.6. So what does that mean? It means that the overall difficulty of questions that were asked from mechanics was 6 out of 10. In the same way, for kinematics, as you can see, it is 5 out of 10. From laws of motion, 5.5 out of 10. From work, energy and power, 5.0 out of 10. Then from rotational motion, the overall difficulty, we have given the difficulty level on 7. Thermodynamics 5. Electrostatistics 6.5. Current electricity 6.0. Magnetism and EMI 6.8. Ray optics 5.5. Wave optics 6.2. Modern physics 7.2. So these are the overall analysis of chapter wise weightage for chapter wise difficulty level for physics. And before I proceed with chemistry and mathematics, again I'm repeating, if you need assistance, like if you have any question on what colleges you can get for, let's say, desired marks, I'll be answering only one question per candidate. So make sure you can comment down the same in the comment section, and our team will try to answer your questions very quickly. So make sure you don't forget, check this an opportunity. Many people are charging this for counseling and all, but we are giving it for free. So make sure you are asking your question in the comment box. So what was the overall observation from physics? As you can see, the physics was application and concept driven. Mechanics contributed 25%. Modern physics questions were tricky and time consuming. A few students flagged 2 to 3 questions as slightly out of syllabus. EMI and rotational motion were the trickiest subtopics. Formula based questions were fewer compared to 2025. Time pressure was moderate. Well prepared student managed easily. So this is the overall key observation for physics. And next, as we move ahead for chemistry, you can check it out, the chapter wise difficulty level. So as you can see, from GOC we have given 6.2 out of 10. Isomerism and reaction 6.5 out of 10. And as we move ahead, hydrocarbons, the difficulty level of questions of hydrocarbons were 4.5. It was the easiest, we can say. It's 4.5 out of 10. For carbonyl compound, it's 6.0. Amines and biomolecules, 5.5 out of 10. Physical chemistry, it is 6.8 out of 10. For chemical bonding, 5.2 out of 10. From equilibrium and ionic, it's 6.5 out of 10. From electrochemistry, it is 6.2 out of 10. For p block element, 4.8 out of 10. Next, for coordinate compound, it is 5.8 out of 10. And chemical kinematics, it is 6.0 out of 10. So this is the overall chapter wise analysis, chapter wise difficulty level of chemistry. And if you are appearing in the future shift, make sure you watch this video, because it will surely help you to analyze what kind of, how are the difficulty level, and based on that you will be mentally prepared on how to approach for the questions. And if you have not commented and asked your question, then make sure to take the advantage of this particular opportunity and ask your question in the comment box. And very soon will be, and don't forget to subscribe the channel, because very soon we'll be dropping videos on expected cutoff for different colleges, what colleges can be expected for different marks range. So these all details will be provided by us, so don't forget to subscribe the channel as well. So now that you're aware of chemistry, let's move ahead and check out some of the key observation from organic chemistry. So organic chemistry has usually high weightage. Inorganic questions were direct from NCERT. Physical chemistry numericals were lengthy but solvable. Isomerism appeared in multiple forms. Coordinate compound had direct NCERT level type of questions, and students with strong organic had huge advantage. So this is the overall key observation from chemistry. And next, as we move ahead, let's check out the mathematics. So mathematics was tough, and it is it is a trend that mathematics is always kind of difficult than physics and chemistry. So let's check out. For integration, the overall difficulty level was 7.8 out of 10. For differential equation, it was 7.2 out of 10. For differentiation, it is 6.5. Vectors algebra 6.0. 3D geometry 7.0. So this is the very detailed analysis that you will find currently on the internet, and we have collected it based on the multiple candidates, like how did they feel based on the exam. Next is coordinate geometry 6.2, probability 6.5, matrices and determinants 5.5, algebra 6.0, trigonometry and ITF 5.5, limits and continuity 5.8. So this is the overall detailed analysis. So make sure you are watching this analysis till the end, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel and comment down your questions, and we will be answering the question very soon. So this is the overall student feedback. How did the student feel? So 18% of the students found it easy, 52% of found it moderate, and 30% of students who appeared found it difficult, the overall question paper. And the 65% of the people found that the question paper was lengthy. So lengthiness is something that people come across, so this is very much adjustable. But as you can see, as we move ahead, the total number of good attempts were 700 to 70 to 100. 25% of the people said that. 100 to 130 people, 100 to 130 questions, 42% people said that, and 130 to 160 questions, 28 people said that. So this is the overall analysis for student, what students have said that. Apart from that, let's move ahead and check it out. Rohit K says that physics was conceptual but doable. Modern physics chapter really surprised me. Questions weren't straightforward at all. Overall, I could attempt around 115 questions. So this is the analysis that we have received from Rohit K. Priya S found the chemistry had way too many organic questions. I could have counted at least 30 plus. So as per Priya S, there were more organic based questions. So these are the comments that we have received. So you can read it out, you can pause the video. And this is the overall analysis for the COMEDK 9th May first shift exam. So if you have felt the same, or if you feel the question paper was too way difficult, then make sure to comment down the same as well, so that we can prepare more detailed analysis in going future. And comment down your view on how was the overall question paper. We would appreciate it, and we would surely help you to find out the right colleges. So don't forget to subscribe and comment down yes in the comment section if you are looking for a counseling or assistance from us.